So, hi guys, I'm eating ice cream. Look at this. Okay, let's put it open. Let's open ice cream. Ice cream. Let's open this. I'm gonna open this. Oh, it's so bad. Yummy. It's yummy. Yeah, it is. It's got overcorn. It's melted. Okay. This way.
Ano, tonton mo, mahilig na.
Okay, Ramay.
Dili na okay, kaya maawas na. Awas buok. Totoo rin, no?
We cannot eat it. Next. Yung may matuo kayo.
Pagkuha mo kutsara, baso, dili kay cone.
Okay. Charag bas. Let's see. Where's it? Let's wait. Just wait. It's okay. It's done. That's better. It's so we put on. Basta excuse din ha. Kaning ice cream. Just wait. Bubble.